So the same idea for number 8, in that we're finding the angles with a cotan of rad 3 over 3. So what triangle did that rad 3 over 3 come from? A 30, 60, 90 or a 45, 45, 90? This looks like the clue here is from the rad 3 must have been a 30, 60, 90 triangle. But where about the 3? Like, how did that 3 come about? It's because it was rationalized already. So this is really cotan x of 1 over rad 3. It's kind of hard to think about like reversing the rationalizing, but you can kind of play around with it and see that this is the same. So if this is a cotan, then this would be the adjacent side, and this would be the opposite side. So let's put that into our quadrants here. If I had this, it would come from a 30, 60, 90 somehow, but let's make sure, let's label the sides here. Adjacent is 1, opposite is square root 3. So which angle would go here if the opposite of that is square root 3? 60. So my first answer is 60. This makes this situation here. Let's see about this quadrant. If I went in this quadrant with 60 degrees, this would be positive, this would be negative, and that will not work. In this quadrant, if I went 60 degrees, I'd have negative here, but I also have a negative on this side and a negative on this side, meaning that the double negative would cancel out. Like from this would be, adjacent would be negative 1 over negative rad 3. That changes to positive. So this angle in this triangle works. So how do I get this angle right there? The answer is not 60. That's only the reference angle. But to get to that angle, I had to go past 180 plus another 60 more. So 180 plus 60 would be 240. Now, if hopefully you can catch what's going to happen over here, but this last triangle is opposite, would be negative square root 3, but we'd also have a positive on the x direction. Therefore, the answer would, when you put them together, would become negative, and we need it to be positive. So there are always two answers, and you just need to figure out which quadrants work.